Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. Why $15,000? I want to showcase running vehicles that the average person like myself can afford and enjoy. Some may need minor work such as brakes or a carb tune-up to be roadworthy, but these vehicles are pretty much ready to go. There may be blemishes, but you know what? That's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, enough jabbering. Let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, so let's get into her here. Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Impala, listed for $8,750 in Elkland, Missouri. It has an automatic transmission, a clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1965 Impala, 4-speed manual transmission with 350 carbureted engine. Car runs and drives good, engine runs great. Interior is really good, but the exterior has clear coat peeling and could use some bodywork and a repaint and shocks. The car was an old restoration and is not a true SS, and I'm not sure what all was done. New wheels and tires last year, about 200 miles on them, put a new steering link on it when I bought it a couple of years ago. I've kept the car in a garage the whole time I've owned it. I don't need to sell it, but I just don't drive it much and need the storage for other projects. $8,750, or would consider trades on a 72 or older GM. And here we have a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, listed for $11,900 in Biloxi, Mississippi. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1965 Plymouth Barracuda runs and drives, has new gas tank, new complete brake system, new wheels and tires. I have a new ignition system with plug wires and new air shocks that go with it. It has a 273 V8 automatic. $11,900 or best offer. Seems like we can't get away without a Mustang in just about every video. Here we have a 1972 Ford Mustang, listed for $10,900 US in Mansfield, Texas. It has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1972 Ford Mustang runs and drives good, 302 V8, C4 automatic, dual exhaust, factory AC car, but the AC is not working. Nice interior, paint is decent considering the age of the car. It's not perfect, but it's good. Alrighty, here we have a 1949 Buick Roadmaster, listed for $12,000 in St. Mary's, West Virginia. It comes with a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1949 Buick Roadmaster sedan, 350 Vortec Tremec T5 trans, 9-inch Ford rear end, airbag with onboard compressor, all new brakes, lines, and master cylinder, new fuel tank and fuel lines. Here comes number 5, 1962 Oldsmobile Cutless F85, listed for $14,900 US in Gainesville, Georgia. It's been driven 61,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1962 F85 Cutless Coupe has aluminum hypo engine, 185 horsepower. Nice little car you would be proud to cruise in. Not perfect, but a good car. And next we have a 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe Coupe, listed for $14,500 in Shelby, North Carolina. It's been driven 20,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 350 engine, runs and drives well. Solid straight body, but it does need a paint job. No frame rust and all floor pans are good. Everything works as it should. Car has been garage kept for the last 20 years. Firm at $14,500. I don't have storage for it anymore and need it to go ASAP. Well, I thought this one looked interesting. I hope you think the same. 1959 Sunbeam Rapier, listed for $6,925 in Pompano Beach, Florida. It has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 1959 Sunbeam Rapier convertible, runs and drives good, brakes need work, emergency brake works perfectly. Cool little car to drive and restore. Alright, like the Mustangs, we're getting another Corvette here. Seems to be a few of them in the last couple of weeks. Here we have a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette listed for $9,700 US in Weatherford, Texas. It's been driven 69,500 miles, has an automatic transmission, only 2 owners. From the seller's description, price is firm, no trades, cash only. Engine and interior pictures to come soon. Garage kept. Engine is a 350 with a 3-speed automatic. New parts: master cylinder, vacuum booster, calipers, rotors, pads, and exhaust. No major issues. AC is complete but does not work. And this one looked a little different to me. To be honest, I'm not familiar with the car, but it's a 1965 AMC Marlin listed for $15,000 in Montgomery, Alabama. From the seller's description, American Motors Marlin fully restored. 350 Chevy engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, new braking system and suspension. Restored interior with new leather seats. There's only one of its kind in Alabama. Alright, I want to include this one. I think it's a very nice 1950 style hot rod. 1923 Ford TBucket, listed for $9,500 in Calhoun, Georgia. It comes with an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 23 Ford Model T bucket, runs and drives good, disc brake, fresh 350 with cam, TH 350 with 2500 stall, new wheels and tires, for sale or trade. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Friday Fix 'em Up, which go live every Friday at 2:00 Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description, and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.